Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we're drawing Pokemon
SPRIGATITO.
Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today my daughter Valentina is here with me. Valentina, you wanna say hi? Valentina is gonna help me drawing a Pokemon
SPRIGATITO.
Sprigatito is from the new video game Scarlet and
Violet.
And we're really excited about drawing this character today. We're gonna start here in the middle of the paper and we're gonna do a teensy weensy nose with a curve and a triangle shape underneath. Good. Now we're gonna do the mouth, and for the mouth we're gonna do a curve that comes to the left and then the same here, down a curve to goes to the right.
Okay, mine is gonna be really tiny.
Now we're gonna do the fangs that he has here. So we're gonna do a triangle shape down here and a triangle shape down in the other curve. His mouth is open, so we're gonna go with a U shape around the fangs to the other side. And we're gonna put a curve for the tongue. Now let's continue. Good job. Now let's continue with the eyes. He has big eyes. So we're gonna start here from this line and I'm gonna go around doing a circle that is wide and big, and we're gonna do 2 more circles inside. Now let's do the same thing. These circles look super big, but we're gonna do a half a circle inside. So I'm gonna go up a little and now I wanna make half a circle. Start from up here, going around and connect it here. So I'm leaving a space on the left side. Good job. Now we're gonna do the highlight of the eye. We're gonna trace an oval shape right here. And we're gonna do an oval shape that goes around this one. So this oval shape goes around and connect. Good. This last oval shape, we're gonna color it with black. Okay, let's repeat the same in the other side. We're gonna start with the big circle. So from this line, I'm gonna go around and try to make the same shape circle. The same size. Now we're gonna go up a little and we're gonna do the half a circle, leaving a space in between the two. So, okay, I'm leaving a space now on this side. Now we're gonna do the highlight of the eye. The highlight of the eye, we're gonna do it up here with an oval shape, and then we're gonna do an oval shape that goes around this one and connects here. Yeah, and we color that with black. Okay, now we're gonna leave a space here in between the eye, or a finger space, and we're gonna put a dot here in the middle of the eye. The same here, we're gonna do a finger space and we're gonna put a dot. Good. Now we're gonna join both dots doing a curve that goes over the eyes, and it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna go slow, going over the eyes and going back to where the other dot is. Good job. Now let's draw the ears. So the ears have 2 triangle shapes. So we're gonna do the first triangle shape here, up and down. Now we leave a space and we'll do the other one. And now we're gonna do another shape over this one. It's gonna look like this. I'm going over and come back down. Going from here, it's kind of like curve and come back down. Good. Now Sprigatito has like hair out in this side. So we're gonna start on the left side. We're gonna start with a triangle that goes up and come curve down.
Here.
Good. Now we're gonna do a little one in the middle, and this little one looks like an upside down letter U, just like this. And now let's do a last curve that goes curve and come back.
Curve.
Come back. Good. Now from this point, Vale, you can extend your line a little bit here. So from this point, good job. Now we're gonna trace the face. So we're gonna do the curve that goes here. So we're just gonna go around the mouth, and it's gonna go like this. Around the mouth, I'm doing a curve. Okay, now we're gonna repeat the same hair that we did here. So let's start on the top. We're gonna go up and curve back down.
Up and curve back down.
In the middle, we're gonna do a little one. And on the bottom, we're gonna do one that curves. Look at Vale. Curves down, and it's gonna connect with the line of the face here. Perfect, good job. Now he has also funky hair here on the bottom. So we're gonna do three U shapes. The first one goes to the left, then one in the center, and one to the right. Good. Now we're gonna do kind of like the same thing, but we're gonna go around. But this one is a little bit more fussy. So we're gonna go out and down.
Out.
Now we're doing another one. Out and down.
Out and down.
Now we're gonna do one in the middle. It goes down. And we're gonna repeat these two in this side. So we're gonna go round, back, round, back. Good, perfect. So from this side, from here, we're gonna go down and out. Here on the middle, underneath this shape, we're gonna do kind of like a triangle shape. It's gonna look like this. Line and a triangle shape, just like that. Okay, now let's do another line like this. We're gonna do a line that goes down. And now we're gonna join this one with the triangle. And from the triangle, I'm gonna go down and connect with this one. Good, perfect. Now let's do the back. So the back just come from this fuzzy part, and it just connect with this line. Now from back here, the tail is coming up. So we're gonna go up, down. We're gonna do a curve and a little hair. So it's gonna look like this: a curve, and a little pointy hair. Twing, twing. Now before we finish the tail, let's do the other part of the body. So we're gonna go from this point. We're gonna go with a curve for his tummy, little curve. The back leg goes down and down, like diagonal and down. Now we're gonna close here. 1, 2, and we're gonna come up, and I'm leaving a space right here. Good. Now we can close this. It's gonna curve right here. Perfect. And now we can close the tail. Now we can just join this line here with a curve. We just have one more leg to draw here, and we're gonna kind of like repeat this step. So we're gonna go down, down,
Down, down.
And we're gonna do kind of like a rectangle shape. I'm going to the right and up, and I just do curve. And there, that's it, we finished. We finished this picture of Sprigatito. I hope you like this lesson. What do you think? You like it? I think you did such a good job. And now my favorite part is coming, and that is
Let's color!
color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how our pictures turn out. If you saw the part where we do the coloring, how we did this mask, green mask on top of the green, like Valentina did, or you can do it since the beginning.
Yeah, and we put pencil brown here and here inside the pink, and then we also put it inside the mouth.
Yeah, we use a color pencil to go over a couple times. You start with really strong, pushing really strong, and then you go soft, really close to here, so you give this gradient effect. And we also use color pencil for inside the mouth, right? So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time. Bye.